Use the graph to identify the x and y intercepts of the graph. Note the scale on each axis since they may not be the same. Yeah, see what they mean. So let's take some careful look at that. Looks like it's going by twos here. This would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and this is 0 here. This is -2, -4, -6, -8, -10, -12 on that scale. Okay, and so this right here is an x-intercept. How so? Well, because it hits the x-axis. And then this point up here, this is the y-axis. This point right here is a y-intercept because it's where the line intercepts the y-axis. Making some good sense? So that's a graphical way to see x-intercepts and y-intercepts. And let's find out what this point is. This is 2, 4, 6. Okay, so what are the coordinates, say, of this point here? Over 10 up 0, 10, 0. And what are the coordinates of this point here? Over 0 up 4. Over 0 up 4. Y-intercept. So it's just, this problem is just about looking at a graph and identifying x and y-intercepts. And notice what they said on your problem, the scale may not be the same. There's no rule which says the x-axis has to go by the same jumps that the y-axis does. Now on mine, they did. This is 2, it went up by 2 every time in both directions. But yours may be different. Real life, when they use graphs like this, the x-axis and the y-axis are totally different units. Often x is time and y is something completely different, like, pounds of force or whatever, money or something, So the units don't have to be the same and the jumps don't have to be the same on the x and y axis. So watch out for that carefully.